In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Patreon. This is a really useful setup if you want your Patreon supporters to automatically get access to special channels or roles inside your Discord server. Once you connect the two, Patreon can handle a lot of the access management for you, which saves time and makes things smoother for both you and your community. First, open your browser and head over to Patreon. Make sure you're logged in to the Patreon account that owns the page you want to link. If you manage multiple pages, double-check that you're on the correct one, because the integration will only apply to that specific creator page. Next, go to your creator settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile image or the user menu, then looking for something like Creator Settings or Page Settings. Inside there, you're looking for the section where Patreon lists available apps or integrations. This is where you can connect third-party services like Discord. Once you're in the integrations area, find Discord in the list of available apps. Click on it to start the connection process. Patreon will now ask you to authorize the connection with your Discord account. A new window will pop up asking you to log into Discord, unless you're already signed in on that browser. If you have multiple Discord accounts, pay attention here and choose the account that actually owns or manages the server you want to use with Patreon. After logging in, Discord will show you a permission screen. This is where Discord explains what Patreon is allowed to do, such as viewing your servers and managing roles. Read through it, and when you're comfortable, click the button to authorize the connection. After you authorize, you'll be taken back to Patreon. Now you should see your Discord server options appear. Choose the server you want to link to your Patreon. This is the server where your patrons will get their special roles and access. At this point, set up how you want roles to work. For each Patreon tier that should include Discord access, make sure a corresponding role exists in your server. Then, in your Patreon settings, map each tier to the correct Discord role. This way, when someone pledges or upgrades, Patreon can automatically give them the right role in your server. Finally, save your changes and test everything. You can use a test pledge or ask a trusted friend to join through Patreon and confirm that they're automatically added to the Discord server and receive the correct role. If something isn't working, revisit your tier-to-role mapping and make sure the Patreon integration is still connected and authorized. Once it's all set, your Discord and Patreon will work together seamlessly.